fans, Grant here with Mount Baker Vapor. Today we're going to do a little product spotlight on the Derringer RDA. This is making a lot of big waves in the industry. So it's made by the same company that makes the Praxis mod. A lot of people have seen that online. It's the mod with the button that goes down through the tube, and then you have to slide it over and then push to get it to go, which has a lot of hype about it. It's supposed to be extremely low voltage drop mod, but we're going to talk about this thing today, the Derringer. That's their RDA.
Alright folks, here's the Derringer up close. As you can see, I got my my own drip tip on here. Not the one that it comes with. It does not come with a drip tip, but most of the drip tips that you can get nowadays will fit right on here, no problem. So the Derringer is a basic three-piece design here. You have your outer barrel or top cap. You're also going to have an inner barrel here. This is the kind of the meat and potatoes of the airflow adjustment here. So you got your 3 holes here, 3 holes here, and then 3 holes on this side. It will run in both single and dual coil modes. So to get it to run in dual coil, obviously you would use these two sides in conjunction with each other. To use this in single coil mode, you would just go ahead and flip it to the side with only one set of air holes. So you'll notice on the airflow ring here that you have one side that has a lip and one side that does not have a lip. The side that doesn't have a lip is the side that goes down here on the base. If you try and use the other side, it doesn't seal up, doesn't go on there. The build deck itself is a basic 3-post design with slotted post holes for use with things like ribbon wire or maybe a triple or even a quadruple parallel coil. With the grub screws on top, you can get a really solid connection. It also has a really deep juice well. You can see it's about 4.5 mils deep. Very, very deep. You can hold a lot more juice in there. You don't have to drip as much, which is a good thing, in my opinion. When you're lining these up, say we want to do a dual coil, you would just take the 2 sections here with the holes on either side facing each other. You would just pop that on the base, and then you would go ahead and match up the top cap with the holes on the inner barrel, like so, giving you your airflow. To adjust the airflow, you just simply turn one way or the other. So you can choke it down and have only 1 hole or 2 holes, 3 holes, whatever you want to do. So to do single coil, you would just flip your top cap here, line it up with the single coil section, which doesn't have any holes on the other side. And just like so, you have a Derringer operating in single coil mode. You also get some nice engravings on the top. You can see there, Derringer Atomizer from Praxis Vapors with a little lightning bolt in the middle. You also get 2 more engravings on the top there. There's another lightning bolt and a third lightning bolt on this side. 510 connection has an adjustable pin, so you can adjust it to fit any of your mods. Really nice machining, no burrs or anything like that on the outside. The Atomizer is 17.5 millimeters tall and 22 millimeters wide.
Alright folks, that's going to wrap it up for us with the Derringer RDA. Hope you enjoyed this week's product spotlight, and hope to see you next week for another exciting, fun product to take a look at. We'll also be doing another coil building tutorial for all of you cloud chasers out there, so stay tuned and we'll see you next week. Have a good one.